Thanks for joining us. I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Einer.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic was submitted by our client, Sarah. And Sarah wants to know, how should I prepare for an upcoming disability review?
And that's a question that we get all the time, Katie. We are in the business of helping people get disability benefits, but one thing that gets misunderstood a lot is people think that once they are awarded Social Security benefits, they can keep them forever. And I think that we've addressed that myth in some of our other videos. Typically, when you're approved for disability, what they'll do is they'll set what's called a redetermination period, where Social Security will review your case every so often to make sure that you continue to be disabled and are entitled to receive the benefits on an ongoing basis. So, one of the things that we want to make sure that we do is inform our clients what they should be doing even after they're approved for disability, so that when these disability reviews come up, they are in a good position. And there's a few things. They're not too different than the things that we tell people to do to get disability in the first place, but I'm just going to kind of run through them. The most important thing that you can do, hands down, is continue to treat with your doctors. I would say the vast majority of our videos talk about treatment and the importance of treatment and how to be communicating with your doctors. Those things don't end just because you're awarded disability. And it's so important that once you are awarded, you do continue to use the medical coverage that comes with any type of disability benefit and follow up with doctors. Because what they're going to be looking for in those disability reviews is your medical records. And they're going to use them to determine if you continue to meet the requirements for disability. If you haven't been treating, what they'll often do is send you to a paid exam called the Consultative Exam. We've talked about those as well, where they'll have a doctor paid for by Social Security evaluate you to determine the nature of your impairments. But those consultative exams very often don't come out the way that people want them to. So it's so important to continue to treat. Another important thing to make sure of is that you're staying within the rules that Social Security has laid out for work. Because remember, you can't continue to be eligible for disability if you're earning more than $1,350 a month. That's the number this year. It's just so important that you not only continue to treat, you keep your earnings under that threshold, but doing those things, hopefully, will put you in a good position to have your benefits continued when it comes up for review, Katie.
All right, Michael. Well, thank you so much for those helpful tips. And of course, you can find this and much more on our website. That's linerlegal.com.